quick reminder of instructions from last lecture. You are instructed to ask questions. You are also instructed to ask for notes on common skin disorder. Questions and answers section holds 7 p.m. every Sunday. Group contact is at the description field. Basic facial therapy sequence are surface cleansing, deep cleansing, exfoliation, heat therapy, massage, masking, and moisturizing. Look out for skin care stimulating therapy course. It's coming up soon. Client personal details are
name, occupation, age, address, phone number, lifestyle, state of health, allergy, beauty routine, and product line.
so there are how many?